Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we can put the limit goal here. So we need to focus on this one. So we have the next one. So capital A, that is about this one. Capital B, that is about S. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, about S, we can put like this. So when s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. This one, if we divide by s on numerator and denominator, so this one you got number 0, and number 1 you got number 0. So that means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. So I will select about this one. So in this situation, we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about f and of 8 over b. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have like this. So I will use this one. So we can do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of f and s, we have 1 over s. The next one, that is about 1 over s plus number 3. The next one in here, we have negative 1 over s squared. So for this one, we will put on numerator. So we have like this. So we need to do common denominator. So this one will multiply by s plus number 3. This one by s. So s minus s we cancel. So s squared divided by s, we have s. Next, we divide by s on numerator and denominator. So we have number 3. we have number 1. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got number 0. So we have this one. So the value of this limit, that is about negative number 3. So we can put negative number 3 going here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.